Firstly, consider leveraging freelancing platforms. Websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to offer your skills and services to a global audience. You might have a knack for writing, graphic design, or perhaps you're a wizard at organizing and could offer virtual assistance. Simply create a profile, list your skills, set your rates, and start bidding on projects. Remember, every successful freelancer started with their first project. Secondly, Microtask websites can be a goldmine for those with a little extra time. Websites like Amazon's Mechanical Turk or Clickworker pay you for completing small tasks such as data entry, online surveys, or simple online research. Sign up, choose tasks that match your skills or interests, and start earning. Every task may not pay much, but they add up over time. Thirdly, you could make money by sharing your opinion. Legitimate survey websites such as Swagbucks or Vindale Research pay for your opinions and product reviews. Sign up, complete your profile, and start taking surveys that match your demographic. Every survey completed adds to your earnings. Remember, your opinion matters and companies are willing to pay for it. Fourthly, delve into the world of affiliate marketing. Websites like Amazon and ClickBank offer affiliate programs where you can promote their products or services. Create an affiliate account, get your unique affiliate link, and start promoting. You earn a commission for every sale made through your link. It may take some time to see substantial earnings, but with patience and persistence, it can become a steady income stream. Lastly, consider remote task jobs. Websites like TaskRabbit or Fancy Hands connect businesses with individuals for remote tasks. Whether it's transcription services, data entry, or virtual assistance, sign up, choose tasks that suit your skill set, and start earning. In conclusion, the internet offers a plethora of ways to make a daily $10. Freelancing, completing microtasks, taking online surveys, affiliate marketing, and remote task jobs are all viable options. The key is to stay consistent, be patient, and find what works best for you. Start today, and that extra $10 a day might just be a few clicks away.